me. Hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Right? Yes, I'm in sell. I actually just took it. Now, some of you might be saying, we got a trend line here. Why did I take a sell before the break? Give me a second and I'm gonna explain. So, just in case if some of you are wondering, just give me a second here. So this is why I took these GJ cells. Even the fact that we have this trend line here, and I took the sell before we broke the trend line. Now this is why. If you look at this resistance here, what do we have? What do we have right there? Tell me what you guys see at the top right there, that resistance. What do you guys see at the top? Keep going. Keep the answer coming. Oh snap. 10 pips secured on this GJ trade. Okay, so this was what I saw. Those of you that said we have a triple top, clap for yourself. You got it, absolutely got it right. We have one, oh come on. We have 1, 2, 3. Triple top. That's what we have. Even though we have this trend line here, right? 90% of the time when you have a triple top, it means price is getting ready to fall. So even with this trend line, I knew that I have a 90% chance that this was gonna fall, right? Plus we had this engulfing candle that engulfed past this low right here, right? That engulfed past it. So those two confirmations right there, even with this trend line, was enough for me to jump in this sell. Make sense? I just gave you guys a trade setup. When you see a trade setup like this, I'm telling you, 90% chance that it's gonna be a right trade. As long as you have your zones marked up correctly, yes, you got a 90% chance of you getting at least 10 plus. Oh, let's look at gold since you guys I don't think any one of you caught these GJ sales. I think it was too late. At this point, I will take sales below 1708 on gold. So let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute. Yeah, below 1708, I'll wait for a retest of that zone, and I'll take sales. This beat is nice. Oh, you took the same trade? Nice. Yes, I'm about to explain these gold sales. This basically what happened right there. And there's a sale you could have taken just in case you see a setup like that. Give me a second. You took the same trade to me, man. Nice. All right. So let's take a look at these gold sales. The reason why I would have taken it if I send this. All right. Now this kind of look like a inverted head and shoulder here. You can say, okay, we have the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. This is another way you can look at it. But how I would love to look at this is, all right, how I would love to look at this is that the fact that we had a resistance here before we had this fake out. All right, this was our main resistance at 1711.33. Now price did what? Price boom, broke it, came down to previous support right here. You could have said, okay, since we rejected here, then what, we're gonna continue bullish. I would have taken this buy. Caught about, let's just say 10. Caught about 10 pips. All right, and this buy. Now, but when we got to this resistance here to the left, we broke it, went back up, we tested it with a rejection candle. Now, as this candle started engulfing this low, we could have taken the sell because we had a rejection candle. All right, that's how you can look at basically price went back, we tested a previous resistance, thereby creating another resistance here, and boom, price dropped. And you can say, okay, we got left resistance, right resistance, so therefore a double top if you want to look at it that way. All right, that's the gold sell setup, but I'm not in it obviously because I didn't see this. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other. Oh, it's okay, Ashton. It's okay. Now we just gotta wait and see what it does here at the previous 4-hour lows. There's also a possibility that now that we broke this trend line here on the 5-minute, we could reject this 4-hour lows and we test this trend line possibly, and then we start dropping again. But if we should break above this, then we could continue pushing up. So we just got to wait and see what's going to happen with this candle and the next candle. If you reject this trend line, right, and then the next candle actually engulfs this low, then we can take the trade on the next bearish candle, and it should be a winning trade. That's what it should be, because if this setup happened, honestly, my final setup, my final TP will be down here, because that's where it should head to. That's where it should head to. You should ignore this and ignore this and just come right down to 1702. That's if we continue selling.
We don't care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Body rotation. Couple days went by.
I should get myself a hookah and leave that vape.
Go ahead, drop a pin, girl. Wanna know your location. What's your location?
You're probably right.
Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way.
But hookah doesn't do anything to me.
I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, gotta make my day.
Plus, I don't smoke hookahs that much.
I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you'll be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Yeah. Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty? Yeah. Do you know she royalty? Yeah. She gon' say I be that one that a girl heart racing. I didn't feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bad girl, killing
See what happens with this candle.
girl on a mission.
If this candle flips bearish, then this could be the candle that's gonna break these lows. Looking at gold.
Can switch it up for you, girl. I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you'll be the one for me.
Actually, I want gold to drop. I don't know why.
Love they do me every time.
Because the way this is setting up, this is the vibe I'm getting. Sales. But we'll see what happens with this candle. I want to listen to this beat again. RSI is showing heavy down trade version 2. You had sell limit at 1712. So the setup I'm anticipating here on gold, like I said earlier, all the way back down to this low. Right at 1702. So if we start coming down and engulf this low, I'm gonna jump in. When that candle closes, whatever candle breaks below this low or starts engulfing, and I'm targeting all this all the way down here. So that's gonna be between 40 and 50, between 40 and 50 pips. I can keep stop loss right there. This is what I'm anticipating. But we'll see what happens. Because if we should break above this support, then we could continue bullish. So we'll see. I can anticipate, but at the end of the day, I have to react to what the market does. So if it's giving me bullish vibes, right now it isn't yet, but if it is, I'll take the buys. You always got to react to what price is doing. There's nothing wrong in having your analysis and your anticipation, but at the end of the day, the market decides, not you. The market doesn't care about your analysis or what you're expecting to happen, your bias. The market doesn't care about that. The market is very selfish.
Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip.
Do I look at DXY? No, I honestly don't.
I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn, don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. I found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe. Sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay. Okay. With everything I gave up for you, did it for love, no escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now? Down. I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. I found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you'll be the one for me. I can see it on you. You're loyal to me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. We don't care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple days went by, now I'm losing my patience.
I have private mentorship. It does come with that also, but I don't like to call it signals. So it's a private mentorship. If I invested in crypto, yes.
nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation.
It has a top wick, it's just very tiny. It's not a steep wick.
See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you, I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you.
See how this bullish candle closes? See if it's gonna flip bearish. If it flips bearish, I'm gonna look to get in. Good morning, Norman. What hasn't finished yet? All right, I'm in. But for whatever reason, oh, man. All right. Couldn't even send this to my VIP. All right, 10 pips secured, most stops to break even. 10 pips secured, most stops to break even. Let's see those W's.
Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money
Come on, guys, where's those W's?
another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody call on you. Ooh yeah, she the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention.
I told you guys what I saw and what I was waiting for, so you should have been getting ready.
All of this for you, babe. Nothing
You should have been getting ready.
weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just
Right? I mean, didn't I explain what I'm looking for, what I was expecting, what I saw? Or am I tripping? Let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know if I'm tripping in the chat, guys. Maybe I didn't say nothing about God before this move happened.
Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, no, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body.
Okay, I did say something. All right.
I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody fall on you.
If you keep messing with me, even if you're trading stocks right now, you get in my mentorship program. I'm telling you, as long as you put in the work, you're gonna start seeing success. I'm not even kidding. I'm not trying to brag here. I'm just confident. I'm that confident. This is confidence speaking. This is not ego. This is not bragging. This is confidence speaking. Nope, you cannot enter long on gold right now. Like, what is the point? You watch and see what gold is gonna do. I have at least, I'm 80% sure, 80% that gold is coming all the way back down to this support. This support. We could either just keep coming down, or we could have a retest, but it's coming down to this support. I'm 80% sure that this is what gold is gonna do. You'll see. Here are the D reactions. All right, GJ, keep falling. Crazy thing. Oh, I called the G. Yeah, I called GJ, but I didn't call freaking gold. This candle just started, man, moved way too fast. But it's okay. I don't trade NZD-CHF. If you want me to look at any other pair, you have to send it to the Discord. Oh, very nice, J Smith. You was watching. What video games do I play? I play NBA 2K. I play football, which is called soccer here in America. So I play soccer, and I play some adventure games. But most of the time I play, and if you want to find me on PlayStation, you'll find me on 2K. Most of the time. I love playing 2K. How is it girls are his video games? No. Man, don't even talk to me about the Lakers. I'm pissed off. When they freaking fired Frank Vogel, they should have freaking fired Pelinka. The GM needs to be fired. He sucks. You say that's why we are in the market? No. I'm not in this market for girls. Nope. Oh man, I just missed securing 20 pips. I can't even tell if it got to 20, but because I wasn't paying attention. You feel like your lot sizes are too small sometimes? Don't worry, those small lot sizes you're using now, eventually, before you know it, you're gonna start using big lot sizes. Before you know it. It's only a matter of time. I tell people, when you have a small account, your job, the only job you have, is to keep compounding on that account, meaning you keep trying to grow it. When you trade, when you become a profitable trader, right, consistently, growing a small account shouldn't be hard for you. Yeah, it's gonna take time, but you should be able to grow a small account. Now, if we're talking about indices, you probably might have to do it a few times before you start seeing results. Now, I'm talking about having like $100 account size, 200, 500, anything less than $1,000. You keep hitting break even after going in 3% profit or 5% profit target. Okay, so do this. And let's go the pip route. So let's say, first of all, you need to decide, okay, I want to trade today, but how many pips am I looking to get? If your answer is, let's say, 20 pips, right? If your answer is 20 pips, now since your pip target is 20 pips, in order to have less losses, this is what I would suggest. Once you're in profit, let's say half of 20 pips, you in profit 10 pips. Now, instead of you taking partials, just move your stop loss to break even and stay in the trade. Move your stop loss to break even and stay in the trade. Don't take any partials. until you hit your 20 pips target. And let's say your lot size was 0.50. Now you have $100. Right? You have $100. Now, if you didn't get 20 pips and you got stopped out at break even, at the end of the day, you didn't lose money. Your account is still safe. These 20 pips will definitely happen. And it's going to depend on the pairs you traded. If you trade in pairs like growing the account, like with gold or GJ, EJ, volatile pairs, 20 pip challenge shouldn't be easy, shouldn't be hard for you, because your goal is one trade a day. You have a small account, don't even trade more than one trade a day. If you get 20 or maybe it's even 10, in the long run you grow that account. You're only taking one trade a day. If you stick to that rule, just one trade, because you have a small account. Your job is to grow that account size. So do not take more than one. Oh, you're trading 0.01 at the moment. You can use the same concept. You can use the same concept. You're welcome, Kenya. We got to see how GJ react at below 166, 166, 340 also. And another thing you can do, if you are just somebody who's just like, you're not disciplined, that you just can't help yourself, you have to take more than one trade a day. Now you can do another thing. This is what you can do. You have one account, and make sure you're using a broker with good spreads. Now you can have one account. Let's say that account is $100, right? Let's say that account is $100. Now this is going to be the account that you're trying to grow. So this account over here, I'm not touching it. I'm only gonna trade one pair a day, whether it's New York, Asian, London session. I'm only taking one trade on this account. Now you can have another account over here, and let's say, so that you don't mix it, you go, let's say you double it, you say 200 or 500, whatever account size this one is. All right, now this account over here, now this should be the account that, okay, you like, I just can't help myself, I'm not disciplined, I got to take one or two more trades. Now this $200 account here, you can use this account for that, strictly for that only. If you taking more than one trade, you have two accounts. If all you have is $300 altogether, that you know, okay, if things doesn't work out and I lose this $300, I still will be okay. That's the money you need to use. Don't use money that if you lose it, you're gonna freaking start crying, start regretting. Anyways, that's what you should do. Using this concept is gonna help you out, because I know no matter how much we talk about being a disciplined trader, some people just can't help themselves. Some people just can't help themselves. YOLO trader, I've actually never heard of that name before. I don't know who that is. Yep, that's why I recommended the second option. If that second option doesn't help you out, if you are not a disciplined trader and that second option does not help you out, man, then I don't know what to tell you. You probably need to go back to the drawing board. Because if that second option does not work, then absolutely it's not your discipline, it's your trading, it's your trading skills. That's what's not working. So in order for you to see results in trading, you have to figure out what your issue is. Because you don't want to keep trying to work on three things when your only problem is one. You don't want to do that. You're just prolonging your success. If your only issue is one, but you didn't know, and you started working on three things all at once, you're prolonging your success. So you need to figure out, what issue am I having? Like, what's wrong? Once you figure it out, then that's what you need to work on. Whether you need to seek more help for that one reason, maybe like getting mentorship and advice, or whatever it is, whatever you have to do to make sure this one option that you only have, what your main issue is solved. It might not be 100% because it has to do with trading. Nothing is 100%, but at least get it down to where you can see results. So that's what you have to do, man. Make sure you figure out what issues you have. You said if we break triple top on GJ, we're going down. We're going up. Yes. But I don't see it happening. But we'll see. I don't see that happening. But it's possible. I'm not saying it's not, but as of right now, I don't see it happening. Yeah, it's not easy to be a disciplined trader because let me tell you this. Trading is so, I don't know how to explain it. For example, if you don't know who you are, start trading. Start trading. Trading will tell you who you are. Trading will tell you who you are. It's very funny. Sometimes I just sit down and I kind of meditate and trading is something else. Like, for example, if you're impatient by nature, because naturally there are a lot of people they're just not patient no matter what you do. That's who they are. They're impatient. If that person starts trading, there's nothing you can do or say. He's always gonna be impatient because that's who he is. Now, if that person is able to figure out that I'm not seeing result because I'm impatient, now that's just one thing. Now he knows the only single thing he needs to work on is because he's not patient. He's very impatient. If you're not disciplined by nature, once again, there are a lot of people, they're just not disciplined. They spout. That nature, that behavior is going to start showing when they start trading because they're not disciplined. Now you know what you got to work on. I can keep going, but we'll stop there. We'll stop there. The more I look at Forex, the more spiritual I feel it is. Why does it have so much to do with who you are? If you're greedy by nature, Forex is going to let you know you are greedy. If you're arrogant, trading will let you know that you're arrogant. That's freaking creepy. That's creepy. Anyways, how the hell do you know that I'm freaking greedy? What's my daily target? At this point, I don't have a daily target. Whatever I make, I make. If I trade gold and GJ, whatever I make. If gold tells me, hey, I'm only gonna give you 10 pips, that's it. That's what I made, so be it. If GJ says, okay, I'm gonna give you 50 pips, well, that's it. That's what I get. Should you sell what? Well, London opens in 6 minutes. Yeah, gold, if we should start breaking these lows, uh, you can get in and have stops above. It should keep falling. But I'm not gonna be re-entering this trade. I'm already in, I'm in. Oh snap. Does not want to close above because London opens in what, 5 minutes? London opens in 5 minutes. Came down here and reject. It didn't close below. I feel like trading all these prop firm, the first thing you need to figure out is your daily drawdown. That's what you need to figure out. Once you figure out your daily drawdown, then now you know what you're working with. Figure out what your daily drawdown is. Now you know what you're working with. And if you say, okay, on this account, I'm gonna do what? Only take one trade a day. Or two, but we're gonna use one trade a day as an example. So let's say your what do you call it? Your daily drawdown is 500, because I think that's the smallest drawdown. So we're gonna go with that. Let's say your daily drawdown is 500. So if your daily drawdown is 500, and let's use the 20 pip a day rule, you can say, okay, I can use 0.50, which is $5 per pip, and my goal is 20 pips a day. Now, since you have 20 pips target, you can have a stop loss of 20 pips. Now you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and you take it one trade. So if the trade goes your way, you just made $100. You've added $100 to your balance. If it goes the other way, now you're down to 400, because now you're down to 400. You have negative 100 on your daily drawdown, but you still have more room because you're taking one trade per day. Now you know that, okay, you have at least 5 days to either keep growing this daily drawdown, or you completely losing the challenge. That's why I said, figure out what your daily drawdown is, then you'll be able to figure out what your stop loss is going to be and your TP, and then you'll be able to decide what your lot size will be based on your daily drawdown for how many days you want it to be. Just an advice. I mean, that's what I will do. That's what I would do. The explanation I just gave, that's what I would do. And if I follow that rule, I don't think there's no way I wouldn't pass. The reason why most people are failing is because they want to freaking pass it in 5 days, forgetting that you have 30 days, one freaking month. 1 month to pass the challenge, but you're looking to pass it in 5 days. Some people in 10 days. That's why majority of the people that fail keep failing. I feel like this is the more reason, because you're trying to pass it in 5 to 10 days, you're gonna over leverage and you're gonna be over traded. Because you're trying to pass it in 5 to 10 days. This is the main problem, greediness. You want to freaking pass it real quick. forgetting that you have a whole 30 days to pass your freaking phase one. If you focus more on this 30 days and not freaking 5 to 10 days, and you figure out what your daily drawdown is, use the example I gave, man, it's just common sense. You should know that you should be able to pass it. If you know how to trade. If you know how to trade, it also has to do with you knowing how to trade. You say you feel like God is telling me to speak to you. I'm spiritual today. London just opened. So what I'm looking for now for GJ to do, because now we're just ranging now, we have to see if GJ is going to break below these 4-hour lows right here. Break below these 4-hour lows. And then if we have a retest, that would be nice to take this out. What the hell, Raymond? Nah, absolutely not. It was pre-market London, I know where it go. No, London just opened. Oh, you mean pre-market? Yes. Snap, go displaying games. Did it stop me out yet? Probably did. Oh, I'm still in. Oh. Trying to stop me out. Come on, go, don't do it. Oh, good morning, Stop Loss Matters. Well, we out. We missed out on securing 20 earlier, or at least taking more partials, but it's okay. At least we got 10 pips out of it. Yeah, I missed out on securing 20. And then again, we did kind of created a double bottom here. We have this, now we have a support right here. Now we'll see what's gonna happen above 1709. We're gonna break above 1709, or we're gonna go back up, reject this trend line. If that happens, then we have potentially more sales coming up. So I wanna see how we're gonna react at these two zones. These two zones, whatever happens at these two zones, is gonna tell us if we're gonna have a sell continuation, and now, or if we for sure going bullish. We shall see. Thank you, Stop Loss Matters. Well, go didn't listen to me though. I was anticipating it was gonna come all the way back down to this 4-hour lows. It didn't do that today. Oh snap! GJ took me out. Okay. No worries. It's all good. Oh, where's my song? I would like to see a retest of 1709. So hopefully it gives that retest to us. And then if we at least have a 1-to-1, we can take this trade. Can you request a song? Oh no, I wish. Let's see how GJ does here. If this candle is gonna reject this trend line. What pictures are in my background? What do you mean? They're not pictures. Let me see if I move my webcam. Oh, you guys can see it. Well, that's what it says. Also grind and conquer. That's what it says. If GJ closes like this, it should continue pushing down. Okay. God is now playing games.
I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation, no escaping.
My thoughts on GJ, I'm waiting to see how this candle closes.
Thought you been down, heard you skip down, and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn.
But even if we continue to drop, I'm gonna wait until we break below 166, 350 if he wants to drop.
shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you, did it for love. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery.
Oh.
Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights.
Come on, fully bearish.
Stormy night, oh yeah. I found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, God, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it.
GJ should drop. GJ should drop, but I'm gonna stay away from it for now. See what happens below 166, 350.
Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. We don't care about all the noise, but
Who taught me how to stream? I mean, do people learn how to stream? I don't know.
I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location.
Oh man, Ashton, the reggae here sucks.
Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way.
The reggae on this website I'm using sucks. Actually, let's see. Maybe they have some good ones now.
I'm only looking for loyalty.
Where's reggae? Where's reggae?
Thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you.
I don't know what's SKA. What genre is SKA? I don't even know what that is. Well, let's see. Oh, I can't play Young Thug. Okay, this one is not bad. I use Epidemic Sound, this website. No, I don't use indicators. I want to see what God is gonna do. Let's see what gold is gonna do here. See if it's gonna keep rejecting here or push up. Not in yet. See if it's gonna stay rejecting and start pushing up. Oh, we're gonna break below. We'll see what it does. Average is 20 pips, but my stop loss is between 15 and 25 pips. So it depends on my entry. I just decided to do it because I love trading. There's nothing wrong with one-to-one risk to reward. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay. That's not gonna work. Actually, oh man. If he pulls back here, I'm taking this sell. Let me see. I'll tell you guys when to get it. If we come down to this low, if it doesn't do this, shit, we're just gonna we're gonna switch to buys real quick if it should break these highs. But looking at this now, this is what I'm expecting it to do. I'm expecting it to fall. But we'll see if he wants to do otherwise. We'll see if he wants to do otherwise. My time frame is 5 minutes. Okay, he's still trying to make up his mind. Whatever you do, I'm ready for you, God. We could end up taking buys here, but we'll see. We could push up here, but I'm still leaning towards sales until we start breaking these highs. Until that happens, I'm still leaning towards sales. We'll see. That we freaking go oh no, it actually broke it. Come on guys, 260, we only got 62 likes. You guys can do better. I mean, I know we've only taken one trade. If we take one more, that's probably gonna be it for this session. I haven't even been looking at NAS. I could have taken these buys and be done. Man. I haven't been looking at NAS. So this is now. All right, boom. I'm in. I'm in. Man, I'm feeling this reggae tonight. This reggae is fire. They've updated their reggae. It's gonna come down here. Alright, we're back in the negative. What the hell? This candle trying to spike. No, I trade after the news. I'm good at playing games. Oh, you're so good at dancing for news. No, I don't enter multiple position at a time. I'll be right back, guys. Ooh! I came back just in time. Am I still on? Damn. Damn, I missed my freaking 10 pips, guys. Did anybody secure 10 pips? Damn. Come on, keep falling. What was I should have taken my phone with me. Well, really? I'm feeling this reggae right now. Man, I missed out on securing my 10 pips. All right, Zay. I don't still want to be tripping. If that's what you want to do, Cornelius, it's up to you. Possible buy above 10,860 on NAS. Yeah. Break and retest. God is still playing games. And I should have taken my phone with me. That's why I missed out on securing my 10 pips already by now. This freaking candle should have freaking closed bearish. Gold is probably doing all this because of the freaking CPI that's coming up down in New York today. This beat is fire. Who's this? No, we're just at 299, Cornelius. Man, gold is tripping. I'll be mad if I end up losing this trade. Because it did give me 10 pips. I just missed it. The market isn't really doing anything. It's like we're waiting for CPI. Gold should keep falling. Like, this is freaking sells all day. It should be falling. Yeah, you cannot move your stop loss right now. Where are you gonna move it to? Well, we took good now. There's nothing we can do. We'll be out of it by now because I think some of you said you're already out because you secured 10 pips already. But for me, I missed it, so I'm still in it. Come on now, good. What are you doing? Exactly. I'm asking myself the same question. Like, is this reggae? This sounds Indian. What the hell? I just missed 10 pips again. Second time in a row. Come on. You got 2 more minutes. Take me back to 10 pips. Oh, it's not Indian? Oh, you got that, Rohan? Still give me 10 pips again. And I freaking missed it for the second time. I don't know what language this is either. Come on, keep dropping. Give me that 10 pips again. Dude, what are you trying to do? Yeah, it does sound Arabic though. Do we have any Arabic person in the chat? Is this Arabic? It sounds like it, but we could be wrong. Maybe it's Arabic then, if it's not Indian. Come on, God. You know you're supposed to drop, man. Oh. Really? You said this is Arabic blues or Indian reggae? Really? Oh, it's Somalian music? Drew said this is Arabic or Indian reggae. Oh, it's funny. Hi, you wanna see those breakdance moves? Oh, well, 10 pips secured. Finally give me 10 pips. I mean, finally able to close 10. Move your stops to break even. There's one beat that I like here. Where is it? Where's that beat? Let me see if I can find it. Oh, yeah, it is. I like this beat. Alright, securing 20 pips here. 20 pips secured on this. If you took gold, let's see those W's and keep those. Let's keep those likes up. Enough. Oh, guys, remember the 2 days trading webinar is coming up November 19th and November 20th for 2 days. So if you're interested in that, the webinar link is down below in the description, or you can type !webinar in the chat and you'll be able to lock in your spots. And if you're wondering if it's going to be recorded, yes, it is going to be recorded, and it's going to be sent to everyone that attends, so you can always go back to it whenever you want to watch it again. Got your eye on NAS. I don't know if I'm gonna trade NAS. I was gonna take this sell, but I hesitated. I saw it, but I hesitated. It was because of the way gold was acting. That's why I didn't take NAS. Taking it here. Yeah. GJ trying to freaking push out. Oh, I'm going back to that song. It's a good song. No, it's a Ashton exclamation mark, not hashtag, exclamation mark webinar. Yep, that's what DJ is looking like. Yep, that's what DJ is looking like. What do I think about? Oh, you said DXY hasn't taken his daily inducement yet. Yes, I hear that's possible. Norman, if I have trades running until CPI, I'll at least move my stops to profit. Make sure I've taken partials and I only have a runner. I'll make sure my stop losses are profit. go back to the beginning. There's some good wicked beats here. Usually, let's go back to freaking. That's enough reggae for today. Really fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any more trades until New York Open. I mean, after CPI. After CPI, that's when I'm gonna jump in these markets again. I'm not taking any more trades. After CPI.
Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment. Give you a moment. Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in lake, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
No, I'm not doing it on live stream. Only with my private mentorship. Only with my private mentorship members.
Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moon with me.
I will secure more profits if this TP gets smashed. My final TP is at 107.23.
Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Your TP on gold is 16.95. You know we gotta break 1702 first. Alright, tip is smashed.
Since we were stuck in late, come up and come watch the skyline with me.
30 pips, secure 30 pips right here on gold.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy,
Secure 30 pips.
believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time you I know how to make me feel right. I can't hide this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't hide this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
If you've made money already, like why are you trying to enter again? And especially if you're still in. Why are you trying to enter again? Why are you trying to be greedy? That's 10 more. Cue that bitch. The webinar is November 19th and 20th, which is Saturday and Sunday, and it's gonna start at 5 p.m. CST. Yes, Cornelius, I take partials. I don't just secure, I take partials. So whatever happens, at least I'll make 10 pips. That's why I always say it all the time. 10 pips, take partials, and move stop loss to entry.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got to
Yeah, sometimes first partials I'll take 75%, sometimes I'll take 80, sometimes I'll take 90. But I always at least take 75% at least. Right now, this trade, I only have 2% running right now. And if it continues, that 2% is going to be what's going to take me to my final TP if it keeps me in. Secure 30 so far. 30 more pips will be 60, and that will be that if it continues falling. GJ is not doing anything. Like, even if it breaks below, you kind of have a channel here. So even if it breaks below this channel, it's just a waste of time for you to take the sales. At this point on GJ, the best thing to do is to wait for a break. The best thing to do is to wait for a break above this resistance. 168, 166, 750, 166, 800. Retest above that and break, and retest below 166, 350. Those are the two options we have. Right now, I would stay away from GJ. There's nothing going on. What? You didn't hear me, L? Is anyone else having the same issue? Okay, we could get stopped. We could get stopped out here. We got an engulfing candle here, so we could get stopped out. Oh, you're out of gold? Yeah, I don't care. Whatever he does, he can do now. She can do now. But it already give me 30 pips, so. Tomorrow is the last trading day for this week. All right, guys. God bless you all. Before I leave, once again, if you're interested in either the private mentorship, link is down below in the description. 2 days trading webinar, November 19th, November 20th. Link is down below in the description as well. So God bless you all, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. We do this again, same time, same session. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.